Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Monk, and today I'm going to discuss a very important topic. As a trader, you must know that topic, which is called PD array. In my batches, I uh, talk about this topic, and as a regular trader, you must know this topic. Why? Because every day, almost a good number of candidate I can say reach out to me on WhatsApp and different medium and I have noticing the reason of their losses are they took so many traders. I don't know what system they follows, and whatever even I taught that also they are not following, and some random people also reach out. They are just following the system which is giving them n number of trade throughout the day. If you are trading n number of trade throughout the day, you are not going to be profitable in this market except your broker and government. So first you have to understand, you should not supposed to buy and sell everywhere. Whatever is your strategy, whatever I'm going to teach you today, you can combine this with your strategy and make sure you activate your strategy when you are at the right place, not everywhere. So which is called PD array. PD array is also known as kind of a cheaper in the market you are trying to buy and costlier you are trying to sell. Example, you see, let me just change the settings for this. We don't require these settings. We require only 0.33, 0.66 and 1. Let me enable the background for this, and here you are. So this is a PD array setting. In the PD array, what we say, for example, let me just remove this and let me just try to explain you. It's very simple. I'm not going to make it difficult. The things you, if you understand it in difficult way, it doesn't gonna help. So for example, if market is going higher high, making it's a clear uptrend, and in this uptrend, right, you are supposed to enter on the right place. What you expect as a trader, you expect as a trader, whatever the method you use indicator, price action, whatever, all the system have a common goal to buy at cheaper and sell at the costlier, so you can make some money if it is an uptrend, if it is a bullish view. For example, for a being, let's assume it's a bullish market. Okay, so let's say market is going up, and if the market is going up, the problem what I have seen people are facing, they are trying to enter. For example, this place, they will try to buy, they will try to place a buy order. What will happen? Market comes down. They will try to place a buy order. Market comes down. They will again try to place a buy order. Market comes down. Again try to place a buy order, or might not placing. That time market shoots up. And they are just watching and market shoots up. That's a complaint every retailer have. When I enter, it's not moving. When I exit, it's moving. Due to this, some retailer do what? Let me enter every single opportunity. So what happens? Your money will be drained out in every single opportunities. You have to be very picky and choosy in opportunities. You are not supposed to enter in every single opportunities. So how you are going to achieve this? So what is the solution for that? Solution is, you can cut down the entries which are not better using PD array. For example, in this same example, let me just remove everything and let me redraw for you. Market is moving up. Okay, and for example, you are trying to look for an opportunity, so you just draw the Fibonacci. As the market moving, you just adjust it. Again it's moving, you adjust it. Now a situation will come, or time will come, when the market will try to retrace it. For example, it adjusted up to this and try to retrace. Most of the time market will either jump back from this place, or you will be noticing market will came in this middle and again jump back. You are not supposed to enter in these opportunities. This lower area is called discount. If we are talking about, if we are talking about, you know, uptrend, and no cheaper, no discount. It's a area. It's neither costlier, not it's cheaper as well. So this is also an area which is called fair value areas. Fair value. It's no cheaper, no discount. And this is a area which is called costlier. So you must avoid or premium. Let me use the technical term here. So you are not supposed to enter these areas. If you have a long term view and trading, you want to, pursue a career, and as well as you want an edge in the market, you make sure you should not supposed to enter either here and here. When the market is in your fair values, discount areas, then you plan your whatever system you have. Doesn't matter what you are using, I don't know, but that should activate in these area, so that you are not the part of the liquidity. Most of the liquidities are done on the premium and fair value areas. Market will hit your stop loss in premium area a lot, and most of the pullbacks market will take from premium. That's the reason people try to enter in the premium area, but avoid the opportunity. There are n number of opportunities is going to come. Pick up which opportunity you should take. And if in the discount area you're entering, you have a very limited area to lose and a very wide area to win, like up to here. So let me just combine this and try to, without, as I told, wasting your time, let me come back to the major topic. Today's trade, let me just explain, how it works. Some of my students, take the trade, and they definitely, use different systems I have taught them in the batches. So for example, right now we are, let me just show you, it's a sideways market. It's clear cut, but sideways to bullish market we are staying as of now. Okay. So for example, just for today, let me first explain you, and then I will go back. So let's say this is an uptrend, higher high market is making. So what is the best place where the market can, give you a better price? So simple. This is the rally, and here you see today market gap down, entered in the fair value area. If you notice in the telegram, I also told you there is an important level in Nifty as well. These are the area where market chances of bounce back is very high, and market came below that level, taken up the order, and boom, it shoot up in the morning. And that was simple trade, and that can easily be understanding. It's possible to easily understand the same trading setup using premium and discount. So market came to your higher time frame premium zone. Means this is the area from there chances of a good trade is very very high. So when you are in a 1 minute chart, let's talk about an intraday trader. You are in the 1 minute chart. This is the place you can think of trading. You can use any system here, whatever you are using. I'm not saying, but this is the area. You should not supposed to buy here. You should not supposed to buy here. Nowhere. If you are selling in this area, you should be very cautious, because we are entering in a premium area, and discount area, and chances of shoot up like this is very very high, and that's the result you see. So it's very simple. Market came here, let me just make it very simple with price action. Market came by making lower low, lower low, simple, lower low. And this is the place, market given a breakout, and in this breakout, market changed the character. Maybe you had already gone through, my several lectures. You already know how it works. So market already changed the character at this place, change the character. Now since market changed the character, now you see from here a good opportunities come. Means market changed the character. What it signifies? It signifies this discount area is being respected, and since it's being respected, chances of getting a high quality trade is very very high. Now you see again how in the lower time frame how the things are working. In the lower time frame, you see market taking a pullback, and boom, it shooted up. If you again draw premium and discount, because stock market is a fractal, the same thing will occur in every time frame. You see it came to the premium area and shooted up. That will happen most of the time, but you are not supposed to take the trade, because if it is shooting up from the premium area, it indicate one thing. You have seen thousands and lakhs of video. You will see so many mentors, you will see they will make the things very complex, because the thing is they are copying each other. They are not adding any value to the existing content, or they are not trying to discover something new. Okay, simple. Let me make it very very simple to it, because the thing is everybody is copy pasting each other. They are not understanding the core principle. behind every concept which is popular in the market. If this is coming from here, what is pending? Liquidity is pending. Whenever it shoots up from 30%, why it shoots up? Just think, if price rallied, smart money push up the money in the intraday and price rallied, what it indicate? It indicate now retailers also, after this rally, they are only started entering. And when the retailer enter, liquidity is pending. Okay. And that's the reason, next time, you take here a view, market created a swing and try to push up. Again, many people added their position. They, again, some people, might, because they use order block, order flow, so many things, demand, supply, blah, blah, blah. They added the position, they might put their stop loss over here. Depends who puts at which place. Market taken a deep correction, strong candle to the bearish side, that make you believe when it forms, it's going to go down furthermore, and again it shoots up. So simple. Here what happened, this opportunity, if you have entered and keep entering, you will get trapped in these opportunities. So you must learn the art of avoiding these opportunity. You must know where to, enter, which is the right place. So definitely we are going to avoid this opportunity. So this we will avoid. Next opportunity, you see market taken the pullback and came to the proper price areas. This is the place you can think of, okay, whatever is your method, but this is the place where you can think of, okay, market in the higher time frame already trend change, jumping back from the premium area, discount area, and now I'm getting a better price. See, you cannot buy cheaper and sell costlier. You have to buy little costlier and sell more costlier. Simple. So this is the better price in lower time frame. You might think, why not I'm able to capture here? If you think like this, you will never able to stay in the game. You will never able to capture in the long term at this place. But you can capture these places, have this kind of stop losses. Just example, very simple. I'm not putting anything difficult here. Simple. If even you put up your trade over here, you still have a wide room to cover up. You see, minimum 1 is to 2 risk reward is there. Okay. And if you are using liquidity and other things as a concept, your actual target should be, if it is a swing trade, definitely we are not doing swing trades on it, because these are intraday I'm just talking about. But still, you see the risk reward is here 1 is to 12. Okay. So even, let's say it went in my favor 1 is to 2, then I start trailing, and here my trailing stop loss will hit, and I will trail my remaining quantity cost to call. But that's I'm not going to do in index, especially Indian index. So thing is, even you trail, right, the market given you opportunity up to this place. Here you're trailing, you are out. That is still a very big risk reward, because market continuously made higher highs while moving, so right. So I hope you understand the thing. You should not supposed to buy and sell anywhere. You should look for an opportunity which is giving you a better price. You have to learn the art of waiting for a better price rather clicking here and there. Today, most of my students made money. Those who are actually serious traders. Okay, none, not my all student make money. Not possible. Not all are serious. But whoever are serious and in touch with me, I know they are regularly trading. This opportunity was very simple to capture. Yesterday's opportunity was very simple to capture. This is a very simple market. Okay, and we are at the end of June. It's the last week of June. The 3 weeks were sideways. So this week, gamma effect will be very high. Chances of breakouts, for an option buyer will be higher. And of course, it's still not there. This moment is not that good in call options. But if you have shorted put, right, it was good. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Forget about trading as of now. Just try to understand where you can think of even trading, where you are not. You think of even your setup. You're not supposed to think every place your setup. This is how, I'm just given one simple example how you can align different time frames, in order to move further. For example, here is one more example. Market making high rise. You see, high rise. So again, if you are looking for a buy opportunities, if you are looking for a buy opportunities, let's say, okay, if you're looking for a buy opportunities here in the lower time frame, then you are going to do a big mistake. Risk reward not be in the favor. For example, here you see, let me just use session break, and here's the session break. You see, market opened this place. Now you see, morning market started going up. What you will see, you will try to look for buying opportunity, but those who trade multi time frame, they are knowing they are at the wrong place of as a trader to put up or look for a buying opportunity. This is not a buying opportunity, because you are not at the right place to look for buying opportunity. Maybe here, this area, it's a higher time frame, costlier area or premium area. Here chances of price drop is faster compared to price rally. And here you see, if you just use a simple price action, right? Why I say PAM is the last one? Why my students are doing better in the market? Because I make the concept very simple for them. I do not make complex. They're not confused in the setup itself. Just simple. You see, I'm just telling you, this is simple price action. Market is going up. See, this is internal structure, so we can take it up to here. This is an internal structure. So market going up, down, up, down. You see, market change the trend. Market change the trend. Now, what it indicates? Now, a pullback is about to start. Simple. A pullback is about to start. And here you see, if you just use the Fibonacci over here, you must be knowing I should not supposed to sell here. I should not supposed to sell here. Buy is definitely not possible. Sell is possible, but not here, not here, here. You see, came, boom. Means how many hours of training required to teach you this basic thing, right? This simple price understanding, not difficult, right? But I'm not telling you will able to catch all the opportunities. Sometimes you're selling here, it's difficult in beginning. I'm agreeing with this. But now here you see, market came down, and once market came down, this is a very simple and straightforward opportunity. Market came, and here you see, okay, market came here. Now when market came here, again, the main goal of any trader should be buy cheaper, sell costlier. Okay, cheaper will not be the always cheaper. It will be better price. Okay, so here you see, market came here, and once market came here, market started making higher highs. Okay, now you see, we are in the premium area, discount area. You see, is it a better price? Of course not. So when it's not a better price, what market is going to do? As I told, it will come back for liquidity. And you see, here is the liquidity, means stop loss hunting. Simple. Market came here, and you see the market trap the people over here. Okay, or sometime market even make equal lows, and later on the time it will come. Okay, so again you see, market came here, and this is one more pullback, and this is the time. Okay, this is the time. You see, market came to the downside again. Many people in this breakout entered. Okay, and when they entered, market started going against them. They might cut the position early, or they are waiting for another side, opposite side opportunities. So market came here. After coming here, market is now reversing from this level. Simple. Market is saying, I'm just now respecting, I'm just going up. How difficult it is to enter here and exit here. Okay, but this is not the best trade. What is the best trade? Let me tell you, the best trade is after a clear cut liquidity. This is not a best example of liquidity. This is simple equal lows. Let me tell you the best example. Best example is this one, where you see there is a trend line breakdown, or you can say there is a support. Market given a breakdown to the downside, you might feel it's a downtrend, but we are in the premium area. Here downtrend will be a fake out. Okay, similarly in premium, we are in discount area, and in the premium area, uptrend will be an example of fake out. Okay, so here you see, all the uptrend breakouts are fake out, but downtrends are not fake out. Okay, and this is the area you must avoid. Here it's good for option sellers. because market travels in both directions. So here you simple. Market came and given the breakdown. This is the area you must prefer. You see, market came to your area only, even you put one candle stop loss, that is enough, right? Even here you see one candle stop loss, this breakout candle, right? Market didn't came. Now the same strategy now I'm teaching you for free. Maybe many people will try to copy it, and try to sell it. How many things are being copied in this India, right? So many things have already been copied, it's already been sold in different platform. Neither the sellers are profitable, neither those who are reading are the profitable. The thing is how you look for the market, okay, is the view. This is one of my view. There are multiple way I view the market. It's the most simple way, one of the simple way to see the market. See, simple, came here, breakout. So this is the way you can look for a better opportunities all the time. Okay, you see this came here to this area, this is not a better opportunity. Okay, now as I told, whatever the breakdown market give in this area, these would be a fake breakdown. This is mostly for liquidity. And here you see, I will not sell here definitely in this area, no plan for sell. But you see next day market came and from my area you see the rejection and boom, shoots up. How difficult it was. It was so simple to follow with a great risk reward. I'm just not saying you follow this system. Okay. I'm just saying buy at a better price, sell at the better price. Do not buy and sell everywhere. Okay. Wait for the right place. Understand the price behavior. Okay. Stop following the free or cheaper courses which is available on internet. They are cheaper, being sold because it's do not have a value. Do not consume garbage. The more garbage you consume, trust me, later on when you become a trader, or you think now you are aligning with the trading business, it will be very difficult to declutter the things again from your mind, because those things will disturb you. When you take the trade, it will show you another opportunity which actually don't exist. So take a training from someone, even 1 or 2%, whatever max you are thinking, but don't switch multiple trainings, because later decluttering will be very tough. I know it's very hard to find a good mentors, but if you found, try to follow the approach, try to backtest. If it is working in the backtest, stick to the system. There are not thousands of system available right now in India which actually give you a good results. If you found even one single, stick to that. Simple. So that's what the goal of today. My goal was to teach you premium and discount prices. Do not trade everywhere. If you're intraday trader, hardly 1 or 2 trade will be max. Okay, in every day you see maximum one better opportunity is coming. Not every day you are seeing multiple opportunities. Okay, so have patience, look for better opportunity, and the same thing can be done on the higher time frame, any time frame, because market is fractal. So that's all for today. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you are finding the things valuable, provide the comments, how you are trading, was it helpful for you. And you may also join my free telegram, where I time to time, if any update comes, where I provide my updates. Okay, that's all traders. Practice the things, and merge up the things. Maybe you can utilize this concept along with your trading system, and it will be helpful in your trading career. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video.